You are watching my YouTube channel CoyTV, where I make travel vlogs, video tutorials, tech review, and also unboxing and many more. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and also click the notification bell to be updated in my future videos. Today, I will talk about how to make thumbnails for your social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media that you want to post a video. Just using smartphones, unlike other thumbnails, they use other devices like laptop. So I will teach you now how do I edit my thumbnails using only a smartphone. There are so many types of editing software that you can use to edit your thumbnails. For example, Photoshop. But I guess not all people know how to edit in Photoshop. Also, like me, I'm just a beginner in Photoshop. But if you have Photoshop, by all means, use it if you know how to edit in Photoshop. But for now, this video tutorial is all about how to edit in your smartphone, just your cell phone. So stay until the end of this video because I have tips and advices for you to be used in your videos and in your contents. So for not further ado, let's roll the intro. The first thing you need to do is making a screenshot of what the content you made. So go to your gallery, find your video, and make a screenshot. So let's do multiple screenshots that we find good for our thumbnails. Just pause and find the good shots. We will make a multiple screenshot to choose from. So after making a screenshot, it's time to edit. My editor is very living to its purpose and it's actually free in Google Play Store. It's called Snapseed. So let's click Snapseed. Most of my thumbnails I use Snapseed as my medium of editing. Take note that I edit my thumbnails only in my smartphone and it is very easy. So after we click the Snapseed, then click the plus sign or add to find your screenshot. Open or plus sign, it is depending on what you click. So let's click, then let's find our screenshot. I think this one is very good, or this one, the third one. Then let's start editing. You have many choices to choose from. So the first thing you do, if you want to portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, fade low, morning, bright, fine art, push, structure, and silhouette. So many choices to choose. So let's try the smooth, then see the difference. That's how I like it. So let's click the check. Then let's click this, edit this one, pen tool in the middle of the right side. Just click the pen tool. Then so many things to choose in here. In this box you can read tune, image, details, curves, white balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, selective, brush, healing, HDR, escape, glamour, tonal contrast, drama, vintage, grainy film, retrolux, grunge, black and white, noir, portrait, head pose, lens blur, vignette, double exposure, text, and frames. So first thing you do, as you can see, I have a black edge, a huge black edge, or in the right side and left, as you can see, in both sides. So let's crop this one. Click crop, then just how you decide to cut this or to crop. Then if you are done, just click at the lower side, at the right side bottom, just click check, then click again the pen tool. Then I love to do frames, that's why I cut this side a little bit to have a border. So let's get frames, then I choose number 12 to at least balance the frames. Click check if you're done, and as you can see, it glows and it's a good thumbnail. But let's add words to at least give meaning to its thumbnail. So text, then find the type of handwriting you want. I love Manhattan style, M3, so click M3. Then I will put it in the right side, then click to edit, just double click, then I will put how to download vidIQ in easy step. Okay, then you can do it bigger or smaller. You can choose color in here in the painting logo or icon. Click this one, choose what type of color you want depending on your background. You just need to match your background to the writings of your edit. So I think white or blue again. The thing that is actually making your thumbnails glow or seen easily, I guess that's one. How to download vidIQ in easy steps. So as you can see, it's very nice. So let's put something like small, let's put something more words in the description, like at least they know. Then let's choose this one, double click, let's put step by step process, step by step process in an easy way. So left and right just to expand. So you can put here the bottom depending in, or here. Let's choose where to put it, or let's change the type of handwriting just to make sure it's very nice and smooth. So let's put in here in the black icon, so it's very nice to see. And after you edit, as you can see, you can just put white balance or glow, glamour glow. Let's try glamour glow. I think it's too much, so let's not put glamour glow. I think that's it. And let me put another writing just to put our YT channel. I think this one, L6. And let's put our YouTube channel, CoyTV. And let's put at the lower right side, at the bottom. That's it. So press check, then let's save and put save. Then it's saving to your gallery. It is the very easy way just to edit, because thumbnail is very important for us YouTuber, and also to have more visualizing or more beautiful scenery. The first thing is they see in your video, unlike just links or anything, because if you put links in something like Facebook or anything, the thumbnails will be the first thing they see. And if they see your thumbnail is very beautiful, so they catch in their eyes, then they intrigued to watch your videos. So that's it. So let's see in our thumbnails, find Snapseed. It will be in the Snapseed area here. Click Snapseed. As you can see, my thumbnails are there. So also, a thumbnail is a very good features to have, and having a very good thumbnail is like a selling point to your content, because it will be the first thing that your viewers will see. It doesn't matter if you have a simple editor in just your smartphone, because you just need to make more appealing and more attractive thumbnails for your viewers, because thumbnails is the first thing the viewers will see. Your thumbnail will make your viewers click to your video, even your YouTube community, for example, and also they will be intrigued in what is the content of your video just to see the thumbnails in your video. And also, for example, if you have YouTube channel, it will increase your click rate, because your thumbnails will have many viewers think about thumbnail is the first thing that your viewers will see. So make sure that your thumbnails is more appealing and more attractive to viewers. Just put yourself in the shoes of your viewers. If your video, your thumbnail will be attracted to you, or you feel that you want to watch that kind of video, what kind of content that is in it, in the thumbnail that you are passing by, for example in YouTube or also in Facebook, the more beautiful your thumbnail is, the more people will watch your video in a full. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something for this video, and also be encouraged to make more videos and more beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube journey. So thank you and God bless. To those people that are still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated in my future videos. Thank you and God bless.